Here I have a Pixel 6 Pro. It's a replacement device from Google themselves, and it hasn't been used. It comes boxed and has a protective film on the front, as you can see, as well as the back. It's in the white colour. I believe their marketing department calls it cloudy white, and I've charged it, and we'll be installing the privacy operating system called Graphene on it. Then I'll test it, make sure the calls, texts, internet and Wi-Fi are all functioning, and then it'll be ready to ship. Thanks. Here's the Pixel 6 Pro. It has Graphene installed on it now, and it's booting up. It initially shows a screen that allows verification to ensure that it's secure, and then it boots up into Graphene itself. So it's a standard only has the apps that are necessary, and it allows further apps to be installed. There's an app store here that focuses on privacy apps, and the phone also allows other apps from other stores to be installed. There's, for instance, F-Droid. That's quite well known with open source apps, and also Google Play Store. Apps from there can be installed. Graphene has security measures for that. It basically maintains what's called a sandbox to stop any apps from sort of looking at other parts of the phone, other files, and other areas of the phone, and other sensors and things like that. So as you can see, the phone still has a protective film on the front and the back, and yeah, everything's in effect new. And I'll put on a short video after that will show the a quick overview of the privacy features of Graphene itself. Bear in mind that's using a different phone though, but it just shows the various sort of options available in Graphene. Thanks. So I just thought I'd briefly explain some of the privacy settings in Graphene operating system. So from the drop down, the camera and mic access is set to blocked here, so that there's reassurance that no third-party apps are actually using the camera or microphone at any time to capture information. So some people can notice when sort of the phone will be listening in, and suddenly all of a sudden adverts appear for things that they've just spoken about. So there's a privacy and security setting here. Also within the settings, general settings, each app can be given permissions for various things like sensors and files and network. So that's additional security. That means any third-party apps that are installed are only given the permissions that they actually need, rather than, say, for instance, access to all the files on your phone, which they might, if they're a malicious app, then send across the across the web to basically grab information and sell it on for marketing and things like that. So this is the type of security that graphene offers. Also, location is another one. So a lot of apps can grab people's location and track them and things like that. And generally, graphene has other security features that ensure that any malicious apps don't get access and compromise the phone. So yeah, that's a quick overview. I hope that's helpful. I've included some further links in the details, which explains this kind of thing in much more detail.